Hi friends, this is Manohar. Today I am going to explain about the identifiers in the Python. Now this identifier in a Python, it can be called a name in Python. A name in Python is also known as an identifier. Let it be have a some of the names we have. Some of the names we have class name, class name or it may be a function name, or it may be a variable name. It may be a variable name. These names in Python is called as identifiers. Generally, we are calling these names like these examples of the names can be called as identifiers. Now, I am going to explain about how the identifiers can be identified on what basis. Let it be take an identifier is a case sensitive. We can use both, whether it may be uppercase or lowercase letters. So it may be case sensitive, that is uppercase or lowercase we can use. Let it be, I'm taking here Manohar is a uppercase and lowercase is and name is a Manohar like this. Here, this is an identifier in the Python in uppercase, the first one, and any identifier which if any identifier starts with the underscore that indicates this name we call as a private name. Example, I'm taking as this one. So if any identifier started with this underscore, then it will call as a private one, a private name, and the private name. And identifier will never started with any digits. That means any identifier never starts with digits. No start with digits. Example, I am taking example one. Example here, example some 1 2 3 4 5 6 Manohar like this. So this is a not a identifier in Python, because it has been started with a number a digit, so it is not an identifier. Already you know that it's a case sensitive. It's an underscore. If any identifier starts with underscore, that is a private, and any identifier never starts with the digits, so it is not an identifier. So always it should not start with any digit. Now there is no length limit for the identifier. There is no length limit for identifier, but too much length is not suggestible in our Python code. Too much length is not suggested in your Python code. And fifth one is, if suppose example my name or any identifier started with underscore, name started with underscore and end with underscore, this is also called as a magic method. This is also called as a magic method, because we are using the two underscores starting and ending of this name, so it is called as a magic method. And the identifiers are generally we call as alphanumeric alphabets. It's an alphabets. It started with some alphabets and digits. Again, I'm writing here some digits from 0 to 9. Started with some 0 to 9. And let it be, I will give one by one example for this. For this uppercase already given, and underscore already given. Started with underscore and now starts with the digits like this. And there is no length limit. We can give a maximum, but it is not suggestible in Python. And underscore Manohar and ends with underscore, and this is called a magic method in Python. And identifiers will be have a alphabets and digits from 0 to 9. These are the some of the important points you have to noted for the identifiers to identify the identifiers in the Python. And generally, I'm taking example here. Take the example. I'm taking money is equal to some 1,000 rupees. This is a called a name in Python or a identifier in the Python. 1,000 rupees. This can be a right one, and you should not use any dollar symbol between your name variable, and it is not the right one. This is not a right identifier. And again, example, you started, if you start with 1456 like this, example, it is not suggestible, it is not correct one, not a correct identifier in Python. And if you started with money 1,000 like this, it is a right identifier. And you can use for that uppercase also, uppercase, this is a lowercase, this is uppercase, this is called a case sensitive. And this is the end of the we are not started with any digit, that is also correct. So this is another one you have to note it. And these are the some of the examples for identifying the identifiers in the Python code. So this is the best examples we have to remember in identifiers in Python. Thank you for watching this video. For thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.